Welcome to 246 Whale Beach Road. A stunning architectural masterpiece just steps away from the pristine sands of Whale Beach. This newly constructed luxury home combines exceptional design and world-class amenities, offering a front row seat to breathtaking ocean views from every room. With 540 square meters of internal space, this residence features expansive living areas, including a massive open-plan living room, a gourmet kitchen with top-tier appliances, and a butler's utility room. Every detail has been considered, including a temperature-controlled wine vault for the discerning enthusiast. The home's layout spans across 4 levels, with a total of 220 square meters of landscape terrace space to enjoy outdoor living. The lower ground level houses a tranquil wellness room with an ensuite offering a peaceful retreat. On the first floor, 3 spacious bedrooms, each with an ensuite and adjoining balcony, capture sweeping ocean views. The master suite on the second floor is truly a sanctuary, featuring a vast bedroom lounge with panoramic views, a luxurious walk-in robe with a champagne fridge, and an indulgent ensuite with its own balcony. This smart home is equipped with the latest technology, including Wi-Fi controlled irrigation, pool heating, climate control, lighting, security, and more. With a 50-meter frontage of protected green space, privacy and serenity are assured, making this property the ultimate coastal haven.